Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. I have here today this beautiful 2007 Subaru Impreza. This one is automatic vehicle. How do you know that you have automatic? Well, you don't have to shift, right? When you are driving, this is automatic vehicle, you don't have a stick shift. And in the case that you have a automatic 2007 Subaru Impreza, I would love to show you how to do the maintenance, and in this video specifically it will be how to inspect your automatic transmission fluid. Now fortunately this vehicle has a dipstick, and do you see that yellow lever hiding down there? Let me zoom on it. This is the automatic transmission dipstick. So I will set up the camera and I will try to pull it out and show it to you that it's actually, the fluid is old, contaminated, and it needs to be flushed. So here we are, the camera is in the new place, and there is a bunch of hoses here, so I will try, do my best to pull it up, not to wipe it on anything, because I want to see the quality of that fluid, right? So I'm pulling it out. Here we go. And now hopefully it will show to you how black it is. When you have it between those fingers, it's completely black. That's supposed to be clear fluid, right? Also, when I did wipe it on the clean, this is already wiped. I did it before I invited you to this video, and when I found out there was so much black residue on the dipstick, I decided to show it to you, right, to make this video and to show you. This is obviously really important because you don't want to run automatic transmission with the old fluid, excuse me. So this inspection is extremely important. This time I will fully wipe it in. Alright, so that residue already was removed here when I did it first time, but it's still there, it's still in that towel, the shop towel, and I will have to inform this owner that I recommend flushing, completely flushing and replacing this automatic transmission fluid soon. I will not make a big drama of it, right? But soon there are way bigger problems on this vehicle, unfortunately. I just found out that the valve cover gasket seals completely failed and the spark plug tubes are flooded by the oil. But I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please make sure you are subscribed, because I will always have many videos about Subarus coming your way on this Auto Resource channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day, my friend.